Okay, here we are at 3523 Division Street in Los Angeles for Edith. We're running the camera from a 3-inch roof vent. We're all the way out at the city sewer in the middle of the street. We're looking down at the city on the vertical. We're going to go ahead and bring the camera back. So there's your connection to the city. Comes up, transitions to a 6-inch clay pipe. Now the 6-inch clay pipe looks pretty good out in the street. Nice and clean. No issues out in the street. Okay, we should be coming onto the property line here. What we're doing is we're transitioning to a 4-inch clay pipe, coming back. Coming up the hillside shortly here. You're going to see very minor roots coming in through the coupling here. We have a little bit of water running here. Still 4-inch clay pipe, which all this looks good. Now this is going to be coming up the hill. We're just going to show you a section we saw on the hillside there. It's a little cracked. I'm going to bring it back. Right here, you can see this section of pipe is cracked all the way around. The top piece is pretty badly cracked. You got some roots coming through, and you got another crack right there. And this is approximately about 4.5 feet deep on the hillside. As we continue coming up the hillside, the 4-inch clay pipe looks pretty good coming up the hill here. Nice and clean. This is all good pipe, the 4-inch clay coming up the hillside. Transitioning to a little section of ABS. Now this is the 4-inch clay pipe in the front yard. Some minor roots there with the shift. You got a cracked section here. That's in the yard, approximately about 3.5 feet deep. Another section that's shifted with roots. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come back. It's going to transition from 4-inch clay to the cast iron pipe heading underneath the house. Cast iron pipe underneath the house looks like it's in pretty fair shape, very minor rust buildup. Coming back, all cast iron. This all looks good underneath the house. Like I said, very minor buildup of rust. No problem at all. Okay, we're going to keep coming back. Now what it's going to do, it's going to come up the vent. Okay, coming up the vent, we're just going to show you where we're at. Here we are up on the roof. So we have a minor cracks and roots in the 4-inch clay in front of the house, and we have a major crack on the hillside. We're going to go ahead and stop the recording here.